Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Wix template. First, you will begin by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the editor. You can choose to start with a completely blank canvas for total creative freedom, or select from hundreds of professionally designed templates as a starting point. Remember, the goal is to build a reusable foundation for your future websites, saving you significant time and effort down the line. Once you have your initial layout, it is time to personalize it. Wix offers extensive customization options, allowing you to change every aspect of your template. You can select from over 100 fonts and a full spectrum of colors to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. Easily upload your own high-resolution images and videos, and use the intuitive drag-and-drop interface to position elements exactly where you want them on the page, ensuring a unique and professional look. Beyond just aesthetics, a great template also includes essential functionality. Wix offers a vast app market with hundreds of applications to extend your site's capabilities, from booking systems to e-commerce stores. You can easily add and manage multiple pages, structuring your content logically for an optimal user experience. Remember to set up global design elements, such as headers and footers, to ensure a cohesive look and feel across every single page of your template. After perfecting your design and functionality, the final step is to save your work as a custom template. This allows you to reuse your meticulously crafted design for new websites, saving countless hours. Make sure to clearly label any placeholder text or images so they are easy to identify and replace later. Before finalizing, always preview your template on different screen sizes, including mobile and tablet, to ensure it looks fantastic and functions perfectly across all devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.